And now, ladies and gentlemen, we move on to a category that has always brought the nation together. India is a powerhouse of talent, especially in the world of sports. And 2024 has been yet another year of monumental victories and groundbreaking achievements.
Indian sports have soared new heights this year, celebrating heroes who have inspired an entire generation of athletes. So hold on to your seats as we play out the nominees for Indian of the Year Sports.
And the nominees are... She's the first Indian athlete in independent India to win 2 medals at the same Olympics and perhaps the most successful Indian woman shooter, Manu Bhaker. A once-in-a-generation bowler, arguably the best all-format fast bowler India has ever produced, Jasprit Bumrah. Another Olympian who scripted history as the first Indian shooter to clinch a medal in the 50-meter rifle 3 positions, Swapnil Kosane. 3-time Olympian, legendary goalkeeper and a force to reckon with in hockey before he ended his 18-year career, P.R. Sritesh. A child prodigy at 13, captain of a team at 16, and a major face of the women's T20 revolution in India, Smriti Mandhana.
And can we please have Ms. Ashwini Nachappa along with Anand Narasimhan on stage to do the honors?
But ladies and gentlemen, Ashwini Nachappa, one of our foremost sportspersons and such a huge fan of hers, and thank you for being a part of our jury.
Absolute
and
pleasure.
isn't she looking lovely in her Coog outfit? This is the Coog traditional sari, that's how it's worn.
Thank you, Anand.
Thank you.
Thank
Here.
you so much.
So please do the honors for us.
And the Indian of the Year 2024 Sports goes to Jasprit Bumrah.
Did you have any doubts about Jasprit Bumrah when you were looking at these choices?
I think we had a lot of deliberation whether it should be Manu Bhaker or Jasprit, but I think Jasprit has been just bombarding every, form of test cricket, whether it's test, cricket or T20. He's been the fastest bowler. He's just been incredible. I think his run has been great. Yes, we had chess, Manu Bhaker and, Bumrah as
So
one
it
of
had
our...
to be Bumrah because also the phenomenal comeback story that he essayed, the way he's come back from a career-threatening injury to get back to the top of world cricket. But at the final test in Sydney, Bumrah again injured his back, so he is under recuperation and rest. We wish and pray for a very, very speedy recovery for him. And the Indian of the Year 2024 sportsperson will go to Jasprit Bumrah. We will reach it out to him. But please, big round of applause from everyone. Thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you for that, Ashwini ji. And yes, many congratulations to Jasprit Bumrah once again. He's continuously made all of us so very proud.
Thank you so much, Anand and Ashwini, for also being here and presenting that award. Thank you so much, ma'am. Now, ladies and gentlemen,